Hello everyone. Now question number 7. In question number 7, it is written, draw a line segment AB of 5.5 centimeter. Find a point P on it such that AP equal 2/3 of PB. So before we will go for the question, if you will observe here, AP it is given 2/3 of PB. This we can write it like this also, AP upon PB. This shift it over here, equal 2/3. Or we can say that AP ratio PB equal 2/3. So can you tell me how many divisions we have to make it according to this? So it will be 2 plus 3 equals 5. So we will make 5 divisions here. So same procedure we will follow. So we will draw the 5 equal divisions of the same measurement. Don't forget to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With this same measurement, you will keep the compass needle on point B and make the arcs. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Remember, if you will not take the proper division equally, rather we can say, then the answer you will get it wrong. Okay, so this thing you have to be clear in your mind. Now the question is divided into 2/3. So first of all, name it A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. Now from here, started from here, B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5. So what should be next step? Join A with the last division as we did it in the previous questions, and join B with the last division. This is the first thing which you have to do. Okay. Now the question is 2/3. 2/3. So from the upper side A2 you will take it. 2 is written here. And 3. From the lower side you will take 3 or B3. And join these two together. These two together. Like this. And then after joining it, what will you do? Next step, next point. This point you will name it as P or whatever is written in the question. अब क्वेश्चन में क्या है? Find a point P on it. So we have taken the point P over here, and AP ratio PB will be equals to 2/3. Okay, is it clear to all of you? But if they will ask that find AP and PB, then you can find it from here, but they haven't asked it. But अगर पूछा गया है, then you can find out AP. It will, let's see how much it will come as. 2.2, AP is 2.2 centimeter, and PB, AP is coming as 2.2 and the PB is coming as 3. Let it be. Let us check it. It will come as 3.3 centimeter. Like this you can do the question. Okay. Last question of this exercise is draw a line segment AB of 6 centimeter. Take a point Q on it such that AQ equal to 5 of QB. So same thing. First of all, you will draw a line segment AB of 6 centimeter, and then from both the ends you will draw an acute angle of the same measurement. Now it is given as we did it in the question number 7, same procedure, AQ equal 2 upon 5 QB, or we can say that AQ upon QB, shift it over here, equal 2 upon 5, or we can say AQ ratio QB equal 2:5. So tell me, how many divisions we have to make it? 2:5. So 2 plus 5, add them together, 7. So what we will do? We will make 7 equal divisions. So let's go for the question now. From point A, you will make 7 equal divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Same measurement from point B, you will make the division 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this is not covering, so we will extend it further, extend the line further. So what should be next step? What you have to write it? Don't forget to write A1, A2 like that. So this is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 and A7. Start it from here. जहाँ B लिखा है वहाँ से आप स्टार्ट करोगे लिखना. B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6 and B7. Now the question is 2:5. So what will you do? ऊपर से आप 2 second division, and from here you will take 5th division. Okay, 2:5. So जहाँ 5 लिखा है, जहाँ 2 लिखा है, that you will mark it, and before that you will join A with the last arc and B with the last arc. Like this. Okay, now जहाँ 2 लिखा है, according to the question 2:5, 2 and 5 जहाँ लिखा है, you will mark it and then join. So here you will get this point as, here it is written Q. So this point you will get it as Q. So AQ ratio QB is coming as 2:5. If in the exam, if they will ask that find the measurement of AQ and QB, then you will find out the measurement. I think this exercise or worksheet 3 is clear to all of you now. Now you can do the practice yourself in your copy for better understanding. Thank you and have a nice day.